Hello, in this video, we will guide you step by step on how to withdraw the balance from your Binance account using the Skrill method. Binance is a well-known cryptocurrency exchange and Skrill is a popular online payment service. To start, log into your Binance account with your credentials. After you have entered the dashboard, which serves as the main page for managing your account, look for and select the caching option to begin the withdrawal process. Here, our main goal is to sell the cryptocurrency that we have in our Binance account. We select the sell option. It displays the balances we have here. We intend to sell USDT. We select max. Here, it clearly shows the maximum dollar amount that we are eligible to receive. From the available payment method options listed here, we simply choose to use Skrill as our preferred payment method. We confirm. If you withdraw using the Skrill method, you pay less commission and receive a higher amount. We select the Sell USDT option. It must definitely be in the name of the account holder. Here we also enter the Skrill and the email address of the person who owns the Skrill account. To begin with, in order to successfully complete this process, you will need to carefully and accurately enter the verification code in this section. After you have entered the code, you will then see this page appear on your screen. Next, go ahead and click on the police order option to proceed with the next step. We get connected to the buyer. In this section, you can check the details with this person. If you have any specific questions, you can type and chat with the person here. For withdrawal via Skrill, as you can see, the buyer has transferred the amount and has also sent a screenshot showing the payment has been made. You can also check your Skrill account for your own reference. And after you thoroughly make sure double checking that the payment has indeed been made correctly, click on Payment Received. Keep in mind that even if someone asks you to accept the transaction and mark the payment as received, you should never do so without carefully checking or actually confirming that you have received the payment in your account, because if you don't, you might end up losing your money. So be sure to check. If you have received the amount, click on the Payment Received option so that the funds will be transferred to the account of the person who bought your cryptocurrency. After you have completed your checks, click on Confirm. You will need to enter the codes. In this section, as you can see, we have successfully sold our cryptocurrency. And you can also view this information right here on the screen, as you can clearly see here. In other videos, we will go over step by step the various methods of deposit and withdrawal in the Binance Exchange together. So please stay tuned for more helpful guides and tutorials. Wishing you success.